Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the dead zones on your DualSense Edge controller. So if you have this for your PS5, let's press the PlayStation button. We can go on over to the controller right here under Accessories, and then we can go to Controller. Go to Controller Settings. Now we can see the DualSense Edge Wireless Controller, and we can go to a Custom Profile. So I have a bunch of different custom profiles for Call of Duty and probably Battlefield now. And you can kind of see it. I have the weapon swap to the R3 button. So let's just choose one of these profiles. If not, you can go up to the top and create one. So the first option is customize button assignments. We can just go on down to the second one, Stick Sensitivity and Deadzone. And we can go to the right stick. And here is the dead zone adjustment. So we can bring this all the way to the left and set this to 0. And then we won't have any dead zones on our controller. And then we can go through the different stick sensitivity curves if we want to go ahead and set this up or not. And by default, I think this one is fine right here. Sometimes I do like quick when I'm playing a game that doesn't allow me to adjust it in the in-game settings. So quick can be quite nice. I like that one. And the cool thing is you can adjust the curve so it's not so steep too. So just look at this as an option, guys. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.